Most people work hard for their money, but their money never works hard for them. If your bank account looks the same at the end of every month, you don't have an income problem. You have a system problem. The secret isn't earning more. It's the 3-account rule. Most people keep all their money in one checking account. That's a trap. Instead, split your income the moment it hits your bank. 60% for living expenses, 20% for your emergency fund, and 20% for long-term investments. This forces you to live within your means while growing your wealth automatically. Stop waiting to have extra money. Pay yourself first and let the bank automate the rest. It's the simplest way to move from broke to building net worth. Subscribe for more wealth building strategies.